The Nikon Z9 changed the game for professional photography with its revolutionary stacked sensor and outstanding autofocus performance. It became Nikon's most successful professional camera launch to date. Now, the buzz around its successor, the Nikon Z9 Mark II, has photographers worldwide buzzing with excitement. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far about the rumored Z9 Mark II, including the potential inclusion of groundbreaking global shutter technology. We'll also see how it stacks up against its predecessor and Sony's A9 III, the first full-frame global shutter mirrorless camera. Let's dive in. The Z9 Mark II is rumored to maintain the robust, weather-sealed design that professionals love. Nikon isn't shying away from its integrated vertical grip, a staple that longtime DSLR users trust for durability and ergonomics. Unlike Sony's modular approach with the A9 III, Nikon's unified body design ensures seamless handling for demanding shoots. We can also expect refinements to the dual-axis tilting touchscreen, making it even more versatile for challenging angles. Plus, enhanced button placement promises smoother operation in the field. The headline feature? A rumored 20.4 megapixel global shutter sensor. This could eliminate rolling shutter distortion entirely, offering distortion-free images even with fast-moving subjects. With a lightning-fast readout speed of 0.4 milliseconds, the Z9 II is expected to set a new benchmark for sports and wildlife photography. This sensor, paired with Nikon's dual EXPEED 7 processors, might allow for up to 120 frames per second shooting with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. For studio photographers, flash sync speeds could reach up to an incredible 1/1000th of a second. Nikon plans to take autofocus to the next level with an enhanced deep learning AI system. Expect advanced subject detection and tracking algorithms that maintain focus even when subjects temporarily leave the frame. In-body image stabilization is also rumored to receive a boost, possibly reaching 7 or even 8 stops of correction. This would make handheld shooting in low light more reliable than ever. Videographers, the Z9 II has you covered. Rumors suggest 8K 60p RAW recording will make a return, possibly with new codecs and higher bit rates. For slow-motion enthusiasts, Full HD at 240 FPS might be in the mix. Dual processors could ensure better heat management, enabling longer recording times without overheating, a critical feature for professional videographers. Nikon is rumored to improve the Z9 Mark II's wireless connectivity, making it faster and more reliable for transferring large files. Dual CF Express card slots will remain, providing the speed and capacity that professionals demand. Voice memo functions and faster data transfer capabilities are also expected, streamlining workflows for those tight on deadlines. While the sensor resolution may seem modest at 20.4 megapixels, Nikon is likely to implement advanced noise reduction algorithms for stellar low-light performance. A rumored high-resolution mode could also provide added detail for studio and landscape photographers. Additionally, the enhanced buffer depth will allow you to capture more shots in rapid succession without worrying about delays. Now, how does the Z9 Mark II stack up against Sony's A9 III? While both cameras embrace global shutter technology, Nikon's dual processor system and unified body design might appeal more to action photographers. As for pricing, Nikon's original Z9 launched at $54.99, making it one of the most competitively priced flagship cameras. The Z9 Mark II is expected to follow suit, positioning itself as a powerful alternative to Sony's offerings. Initially rumored for a 2024 Olympics debut, the Z9 Mark II's release date now seems set for 2025 or even 2026. While the wait might feel long, Nikon is clearly focused on delivering a camera that exceeds expectations. So, is the Nikon Z9 II worth the wait? With its global shutter technology, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade features, it's shaping up to be a groundbreaking tool for photographers and videographers alike. For years, Nikon and Sony have been at the forefront of the mirrorless camera wars, each pushing the boundaries of innovation. With the rumored arrival of the Nikon Z7 Mark II, the competition is about to heat up once more. The Z7 Mark III is expected to go head-to-head with Sony's highly anticipated Alpha 1 Mark II, setting the stage for an epic showdown. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, wondering which camera might take the crown, or which one suits your needs, stick around for a comprehensive breakdown. Rumored to launch between August and November 2025, the Nikon Z7 Mark III is positioned to disrupt the market. The buzz centers around its sensor, which could see a significant leap in resolution. While some speculate Nikon might retain the 45.7 megapixel sensor from the Z7 Mark II, industry insiders suggest the possibility of a 61 megapixel Sony sensor or even a 67 megapixel Tower Jazz sensor developed in collaboration. This leap would be a game-changer for landscape photographers and detail-oriented creators, giving Nikon an edge over competitors like Sony's Alpha 7R series. Beyond stills, the Z7 Mark III isn't holding back on video. Rumored specs include 8K video at 30 FPS, 4K at 60 FPS, and 10-bit ProRes RAW recording, making it a versatile choice for hybrid shooters. Add up to 20 FPS burst shooting, 493 autofocus points with AI-based subject detection, and modern conveniences like dual UHS-2 SD slots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a tilting touchscreen, and it's clear Nikon aims to deliver a flagship camera built for today's demanding creators. Sony's flagship Alpha 1 Mark II refines speed, low-light performance, and versatility. Retaining its predecessor's 50-megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, it minimizes rolling shutter and enhances dynamic range. Autofocus is a standout, with an AI processing unit for advanced subject recognition, including humans, animals, birds. For wildlife and sports photographers, precision tracking is a game-changer. With 8.5 stop IBIS, pre-capture shooting, and a speed boost button, the Alpha 1 Mark II is built for fast-paced environments. The Alpha 1 Mark II matches the Z7 Mark III in 8K and 4K video, but adds dynamic stabilization, breathing compensation, and ZV series features for smoother footage, ideal for filmmakers and vloggers. Nikon's rumored 61-megapixel plus sensor targets detail-focused photographers, while Sony's 50-megapixel stacked sensor balances resolution, speed, and low-light performance. Nikon may win on sheer resolution, but Sony's faster readout and versatility shine in dynamic scenarios. Both cameras bring cutting-edge AI-powered autofocus systems to the table. Nikon's 493 focus points with AI subject detection promise accurate tracking across wildlife, sports, and portrait settings. However, Sony's dedicated AI processor offers unparalleled recognition and tracking capabilities, including the unique human pose estimation. For fast-moving subjects or complex compositions, Sony's autofocus system may have the upper hand. Video enthusiasts will find a lot to love about both cameras. Nikon's 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS deliver sharp, vibrant footage, and ProRes RAW adds a cinematic touch. Meanwhile, Sony counters with similar resolutions, but enhances the experience with additional tools like framing stabilizers and advanced stabilization modes, making it a go-to choice for handheld and run-and-gun filmmakers. The Z7 Mark III is expected to carry over Nikon's robust design, featuring a tilting touchscreen and dual card slots, ensuring it feels familiar to existing Nikon users. On the other hand, Sony's Alpha 1 Mark II builds on the Alpha 9 III's body design, offering a more refined grip, improved weather sealing, and a stunning 9.44 men.dot OLED EVF with up to 240 FPS refresh rate. These enhancements cater to professionals who demand comfort and reliability in challenging environments. In today's world, connectivity can make or break a camera's usability. Nikon equips the Z7 Mark III with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file transfers, perfect for photographers who need quick sharing options. Choosing between the Nikon Z7 Mark III and Sony Alpha 1 Mark II comes down to priorities. The Z7 Mark III's rumored 61-megapixel plus sensor is ideal for landscapes and studio work, while the Alpha 1 Mark II excels in speed, autofocus, and video, making it perfect for wildlife, sports, and hybrid shooting. Nikon challenges Sony with high resolution, while Sony focuses on speed, AI, and versatility. Both are shaping up to be top-tier mirrorless options, so which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.